Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video, I have a process layout of my December daily, day 11. I took a little break at the end of the summer to be with my girls, but I'm ready to be done with this, and I hope to be hashtag done by December. Well, I actually hope to be done with this by mid-October. That way I can recharge my December daily batteries. So in December 11, we had a few different stories. We went to Target, in the game Animal Crossing, which my girls love to play, and I did too. Eventually, I'm pretty sure all of my villagers are probably dead or swum away to another island. But that is the first day in the game where it snows and you can make snowman. So you can take screenshots of that and then you can send them via text to your cell phone, and that's how I end up doing collages and printing them. It's the easiest way. And I'm also in this video going to use the Tumble Mono Air adhesive, which is the new one. It came in the Tumble VIP box of September, and I think they still have a few available. I have an unboxing video of it, and it's all adhesive, so it's perfect for this moment when we have October daily. We're gonna have December daily for those of you who are gonna do Thankful November. Also, it's perfect for that. And the Celebrate die cut, it's from last year's Feed Your Craft kit, and I'm so excited because I saw sneak peeks of the kit for this year, and I know it comes out in October 1st, and I am gonna be on it to make sure that I get my kit. It kind of aligns more with my style. I like bright, cutesy things. It's more my style, and also I do so many things with my girls that it kind of reflects, the clothes they use, the things they like. And I'm going to keep also this layout really simple because I have a lot of elements. I have busy pictures where action is happening. I have lots of colors and images. I have these stamp sets. Most of them are from Feed Your Craft. I also have the one from Everyday Explorers, which is the one with the little prompts. I'm not going to use that in this video, but it's a really good stamp set to have. I'm not sure if they still have it, but I do love their prompt stamps. This is really simple. I just wrote my journaling with the Tombow twin tone marker. And since that was the card that came in the kit, I could use my twin tone with that card. When I print, I use photo paper, and the photo paper kind of ruins felt tips. So I prefer to use ink joys with those. And I'm going to use this strip. It's perfect. It's from Citrus Twist. And I love it because you can just add any page to your album without punching holes in the actual photos. And on the back, I have a little collage of us baking cookies. This year we made sugar cookies. We were in the process of moving, and I really wanted to do something simple. We did okay. We could have done better. It's not our favorite kind of cookie. We had fun decorating them, and we also only made a few because usually every year, we give out cookies to our neighbors. And since we back then lived in a military community, like most of the people that we knew moved out. And also there was, and it's still, we have COVID around, so we didn't feel like giving cookies to our neighbors in this situation would be a great idea, which is sad. It's one of the things that we enjoy the most. And we named this day where we bake cookies Cookie-thon. We have Cookie-thon for quite a few years. And instead of using alpha stickers, I use some beads with letters. And I cannot honestly, I forgot where did I got this idea from. It's not an original idea, But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to check my Instagram, and I have a little tab for December Daily. And if I do find it, I'm going to link it below. But I love how it turned out. The card is super simple. It just has this card, I believe, is from In a Creative Bubble. And also the little elements are from In a Creative Bubble. And I just wanted to make the beads the most important part, so that's why I kept it simple. Now in this card, I'm going to go a little crazy and I'm going to add probably way too many things, but I just couldn't stop myself. I did try, but I knew that I wanted to use that let's bake stamp. And then I thought about these cute gingerbread cookies, since we also made a few men. And I love these little stickers. They are from Pretty Little Studio. I'm going to have them linked below. They also have these stickers in white. And I also have them, but for some reason I always reach out for the colors. And I have a ton of washi in my December daily card, but for now I'm only using those colors. I'm not going to use a lot of embellishment and washi tape on this layout, but most of the work is going to be on this card. And this little snow girl cookie, it's from the Silhouette Design Studio store. It's from a company called Little Something. I know that they do have lots of cutesy kawaii stickers, and I cut those in cardstock too. And I have the file to do the stickers, but I haven't been able to do it. And I wanted to stamp something in that space of the photo, since again the rest of the photos are pretty busy, so I'm not gonna do a lot of things. That stamp set, it's from Feed Your Craft. And I love action photos. You know, whenever they make a craft or they cook, I love taking pictures of the process. And these are the cookies that I made. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put our initials in the corner of the photos. And I did love my Snow DMC cookie. So that's what I took a little close up of that one. Those alpha stickers are from Studio Calico. They're quite old, but I do love that font. My only complaint, as always, is that they don't have any numbers in this set, which is kind of sad because it's such a cool font and I love the colors. And I just added one little gingerbread man. And that's going to be the end of this process. It was very simple. It looks busy already, so I kind of had a talk with myself about not going overboard, but I did get a few pages done, which was good. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you stick around because I'm gonna finish this thing hopefully soon. And I also have a very fun collaboration in October, and I hope you can stick around to find out with who. And I had so much fun making this. I love these photos, and I hope that you love this process. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see how the album turns out. Make sure you click the bell. That way you get notifications of when I upload a video. I hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you so much. Bye.